Hi dolls, the dress we're going to make today is based on a suggestion from our subscriber, Hugo S. from our other channel, Express Dress en Español. Greetings to our subscribers from Colombia. Now without further ado, let's get started. The materials we need for this dress are 2 pieces of fabric, some thread, a needle, scissors, and a ruler. First, we will use the smaller piece of fabric, which should be about 4 by 8.5 inches or 10 by 22 centimeters. Now we will fold the fabric in half and sew it along the long way. Then we will sew a seam on what will be the top part of the dress. We will flip this dress inside out. We will take out the bigger piece of fabric, which should be about 10 by 10 inches or 25 by 25 centimeters. We've already cut into a circle. Okay, now let's put the dress on Violeta. For those of you who don't know, this is Violeta. Fold the top part about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Now we will place Violeta in the middle and fold the dress like this along her waist. We will sew the waist part like this to form the dress. Don't forget the shoes. Now let's give her purse. We're finished. Thank you so much for watching our video today. One more thing. Every month we will randomly select a suggestion from a subscriber and create an outfit based on that suggestion. Then we will upload the video at the end of the month. So if you have any suggestions, please comment them below. If you would like to know where we got these materials, there's a link in the description below. Thank you. Si te gustaría ver este video en español, por favor, sigue este link. Gracias.